Hi, I'm Rohan Bhaker,
And I'm Jeevan Singh.
and this is
BCS News Live.
Today's episode is all about, it's not about who broke the law, but rather who formed the law and why.
It seems as if we take our privileged human rights for granted.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And today, our director and producer, Mrs. Kennedy, has asked us to give you guys some knowledge about law.
What kind of knowledge? Knowledge about law. Speaking of laws and rules, why are you wearing that atrocious hat?
New York, baby. Basically, the rules state that newscasts shouldn't be wearing hats or anything on their heads or sunglasses while we're recording. When a rule's made, they're expected to be followed. When the rule is not followed, the punishment isn't really that severe. In this case, I'd be asked to take the hat off. But when a law is made, it's basically mandatory. And the punishments are probably more severe.
Well, you're right. Law is made, it's mandatory. As you can see around the world around us, laws are needed, and punishment can go as far as a fine or even jail time.
Well, you're right. Well, yeah, that's how it is. Well, we have a little video for you guys about law. So enjoy. Imagine what it would be like if we didn't have laws. If people did just as they pleased without any regard for others. Life would probably get pretty chaotic. Law is one of society's basic institutions and one of the most necessary. It establishes a person's rights and obligations. The law also sets penalties for those who violate these rules. Equal justice under law, reads this inscription on the Supreme Court of the United States. Although specific laws change over time, most people agree justice is one of law's guiding principles. What is law? Law is the principles and regulations established in a community by some authority and applicable to its people, whether in the form of legislation or of customs. Now that you know why we need laws and rules and what they are, you as our viewers can see how laws were developed and how they evolved over the years.
Well, this is why it's a special episode. You, the viewers, get to choose what laws you guys want to see.
So go ahead and get started. Choose a decade.